Presenting Boat Wave Lite Smartwatch in deep blue. It has a dimension of 26 into 4 into 1 centimeters and weighs 45 grams. It is also available in active black and scarlet red. The 1.69 inches square HD display comes with a brightness of 500 nits. This ultra slim and lightweight watch comes with multiple watch faces. The IP68 water resistance makes it dust and splash resistant, making it suitable for everyday wear. It has a battery life of up to 7 days. The smartwatch supports Google Fit and Apple Health. It features a heart rate monitor and SpO2 level monitor. And it also has activity tracker with 10 sports modes and notification alerts. The box contains the smartwatch, user manual, magnetic charging cable, warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty.